Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this short curly bob, really cute, these arrogant inspired baby hairs. I'm trying to crack the secrets from him, like without him telling me. I'm trying to figure it out. I study him really hard. I'll talk about that more in the video, but I really like this install. It looks really good, and I know y'all see it. So stay tuned and keep watching and see how I got this look. Today's hair is from Elva Hair. It is a 360 curly 13, well it's 360, but it does go back 6 inches, and it's transparent lace, I believe. I was going to do a half up, half down with this, but girl, Brand had audacity to ask me what was the difference between a video and a video, and I was like, I mean it's different, but it's kind of the same thing, so we can't do a half up, half down because I've done like 2 of those already. So I guess we have to just do a middle part bob, you know, and that's fine. But I really want to do a half up, half down. I want to tell y'all that I want to do that because it has like all the space for it in this. It has all the space for a half up. I'm going to do a half up, half down with this wig. Like I have to. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. So, but not today. I did bleach and pluck this frontal. I've been experimenting a lot of different ways with how I want to pluck my frontals. I've been trying to watch people how they do theirs and try to emulate what they do. I really watch Tay so hard. I promise I'm like Tay's #1 dick rider. I fucking watch him heavy. I'm like, oh, he plucked it like this? I'm taking notes, bitch. I want to be like him. He did this curly bob on his cousin Neek, and he's supposed to be doing an online class. If y'all want to donate to the cause, so I can take the online class. I can tell y'all the tea. I'm gonna leave my Cash App in my description box. If y'all want to donate to the cause, so I can take this class. This class fuck around be like $200, $300, and you know, I want to learn how to do a wig, but I don't know if I'm gonna be, you feel me? Yeah. So anyway, back to this. I've been trying to do a lot of different things. So a lot of my wigs have been looking a lot different from each prior wig, because I'm just doing something different each time. I will be installing this the normal way I install all my other wigs. In my last video I did something different. I did the razor off method, which was okay, but I just feel like it wasn't the best. Like it gave me a wrinkle in my lace. If you watch go watch the video, go see what I did wrong. Don't listen to me talk to you about it. Go watch it. Damn. So let's get into this hair. Now that I've done talked your ear off, let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead, like always, spray my Ebin Tinted Lace Spray in the shade Light Warm Brown. You hear me? You hear me? I said it's the Ebin Tinted Lace Spray in Light Warm Brown. I'm tired of y'all asking me what it's like I be talking for no reason. I be telling y'all about my lashes. I put the lashes I wear in my description box just so y'all can stop asking me, and niggas still want to ask me. Do y'all know how to utilize y'all's resources? I mean, maybe it's just the Virgo in me and I just don't ask stupid questions. So I just can't imagine asking dumb questions in any capacity. Not saying, I mean, like, the information's right here. I promise I'll give it to y'all. I promise I do. I don't want to hold out on y'all. I'll let y'all know where the shit's from. I guess it might be local beauty supply stores. So I don't know where else to get it. So if you ask me for a link or something, I don't got one for you. I'm sorry. Okay, so now I'm going to start cutting off this excess lace in the back and then go ahead and throw her on. I've been wanting a curly bob so bad. I'm so excited to do this. Now that I'm looking like, who am I giving right now? Not nobody cute, I'll tell you that. Now that I'm giving that person, I'm finna start adjusting to size, making sure my part is in the middle, or as middle as it can get. I plucked the mess out of this side, I'll tell y'all that. That's why I wanted it to be a half a bab down to be such a, I'm doing one anyway. Check my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I never tell y'all to follow me on Instagram, but hello. What else are you doing with your time? Why aren't you following me already? Did you not like the videos already made? You wasn't fucking with that? You didn't want to see more of me? Alright, I get it. Once I get everything adjusted, I'm just going to cut off my ear tabs as usual, following my natural ear. You'll feel with your comb. And just parting it, and then I'll cut off the excess. I got Okay, everything is measuring up right, so now it's time to just razor off my lace. I really enjoy doing it like this. I think it's just fail-proof way of doing your wig. I recommend it. And then also my tutorials work for also if you're just reapplying a wig, because a lot of people, when they razor their wig off and they're only doing new wigs all the time, like you wouldn't learn how to reapply a wig. So I think when I show it like this, you both can apply a new wig and an older wig. Okay, so now that my lace is cut off, I don't know why I just forgot what I was doing just now. Now that my lace is cut off, it's gonna install me my boho. I really want to try the Erica J glue, but she was sold out both of the times that I looked. Erica J, I want your glue. I want to pay you. I want to give you my money.
I got Simi on a beat.
Hey, I got 500 after shooting to kill. You better do. So as I put on my elastic band, I'm gonna tell you guys about how I really want you guys to know that I be messing up, and I be messing up, and I be messing up, and that's just it. I be messing up, and I know that videos can get edited to look like everything was done perfectly, but I be messing up. And I just think that's really important to know, because I know when you're looking at people do something that you want to do, you're like, damn, they did that so good. They did it perfectly. I could never do it like them. Stuff like that, because I be thinking bad about people. But I know they be messing up. And so what I'm going to include on my voice, me messing up, me realizing I pulled it too taut, and then it created a wrinkle. So I think the wrinkle, I asked my last video, that's not yet uploaded, but at some point it will be. Before this, I asked my last video were tips for how I can prevent a wrinkle in my hair, in my lace. And I think it's just pulling it too taut, and then it has to go back to itself. So I realized that, lifted it up, and then redid it. So I think there might be a slight wrinkle still here, but I did peep what I did wrong, and I fixed it. I think that's a big part of this. It's about learning, trying different things, experimenting, doing stuff over again, so you can get better and better. And so I know I do hair a lot on my channel, but I feel like each time I get a little better and I do something a little different, even if it might not look like it. So yeah, that's all I have to say about that. As for this hair, y'all, I knew when I was watching it that I liked it. I haven't got sent no bad hair in a very long time. I got a couple hair companies that you never even seen on this channel, because it was like before. But as of recently, girl, I don't know. This is my kind of curly hair. It's soft, and I even like the way it's just moving away though I want to. Like it's doing it for me right now. And it looks so good. Now it's time to wet the hair again, and then I'm going to, I really want to put it in a half up, half down. Like, you guys have no clue how much I want to do that, but I'm not, because I already did that, but I'm going to do it one day. This hair is so nice, but it's going to get cut into a bob. We love a curly bob. Like I said before, Tay did this bob on his cousin. It was really cute. Are you spraying weird? Why are you spraying like that? Why are you acting like that? You don't act like that. And I'm just wetting the hair now because I'm about to cut it. And it would just be much easier. It'd be much easier if it's wet. This one should start coming together. If you make it to the elastic band point in the series, in the styling portion, you know at this point, this one should finna kick up and finna start looking nice. I love this hair. I'm not selling this wig. I sell all my wigs. Oh, that's also why you should follow me on Instagram. On Instagram, I'm gonna start having monthly wig sales. So you might want to get a hold of that. People always comment on my videos. Do you sell your old wigs? DM me. Do you sell your old wigs? If you watch out for my story, I'm gonna start having monthly wig sales. So stay tuned. Well, it's time to cut the hair. I'm not gonna do nothing special. Just I'm gonna cut it like right here, and then I'm gonna just start winging it. Can y'all see? Here, I'll move my. Wait, I can't see if I move my mirror. I'll move it this way. Yeah, compromise. So I'm gonna do it like this long. And I like to get my hair longer than what I'm gonna cut it. Like I don't usually like to get like, ooh, let's cut my Calvin Klein, sis. I don't like to get hair that is exactly the length that I want it, because I like blunt cuts. And it's just not the same look when you don't cut it yourself, you know? That's just a personal choice though. I know a lot of people get mad at me when I cut my hair like this. They're like, why wouldn't you shut the fuck up? There's a reason. The best part about curly bobs is they don't have to be right. They can be as wrong as you want them to be, because ain't nobody gonna see the cut. I know it does look a little light, though it probably looks really light on camera, but it's gonna be fine. We're gonna be okay, I promise. So as for my sideburns, I think my baby hair is decent for now. It's different. It does look a lot more natural and a lot less wiggy, I would say. So I do like that. I did cut a little bit of the baby hair though. I felt like it was too blocky, but now it looks good. So I'm gonna do my edges. I think this is how he does his sideburns. Either he uses edge control or he uses mousse. I'm trying to figure it out, but one day I will, I'm gonna tell y'all. I'm gonna do the other side off camera and come back to define my curls, and hopefully my camera battery is charged up a little more. Okay, so both sides baby hair are now completed. I was gonna do my concealer on my part now, but I'm actually gonna do the mousse on it so I can get it flat real quick. And then maybe to add some mousse to the rest of my hair. Not a lot though, because I kind of like the dried look. I think it's real cute. But I gotta get this flat. You feel me? We like a flat wig over here. If you don't know, now you know. I'm using my Lotta Body Wrap Me Mousse. Gonna throw that on top. Not special. And then I'm gonna use a hard bristle brush and just make it flat. But honestly, that might not even be enough because I like my wigs flat. So I'm gonna also add a little bit of gel to like the sides, not so much the middle part, because like I said, I'm gonna be adding concealer. And then I'm gonna take my edge brush and just make sure everything is just super flat. Okay, so I will add some mousse to the front of my hair just so this little part right here looks a lot better. But I like what it's giving. And then I think I am finished with that, and I'm gonna just round up the hair that just came out. Not very much. This is curly hair. This is like nothing. Now it's time to do the concealer on my part, because this part is kind of non-existent. Make her alive. Thanks so much for watching, and all the hair information will be linked in the description box. I don't know why that was so hard for me to say just now. All the hair in the description. Bitch, talk. All the hair will be in the description box. I'm gonna stop talking now because apparently I can't talk. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram at BeautyViaJulia. Love you. Bye. Bye, beautiful.
I'm still in love.